This is a short demonstration on how teachers pull up their smart dismissal board screen for carline dismissal each and every day. The first thing that the teacher needs to do is they need to navigate to this URL on their browser of choice, and the website URL is campus.conciergepadedu.com/##carline. They will then see a screen similar to this. Then using their concierge pad username and password, they would be able to log in, and then they would see a screen similar to this. The next step is very important because they have to configure their screen one time for that day. They have to select the run that they're in. Generally speaking, it's always going to be on run 1, unless you do multiple dismissals. Then the teacher would select either their grade or their name, but that has to be assigned and communicated from school admin. But I am going to select, for this example, the 6A grade. And then if you click on add to view, because those are the students that I would like to see. And then if you like, you can turn on this switch, which is called play bell. And what that does is that plays like a little bell sound every time a new student is dropped into the screen. And you don't have to touch the screen from this point forward. It automatically refreshes, and the students that are ready to be dismissed will show up automatically. So once the carline process is started, again, it's hands-free. I am going to mimic somebody sending a student from the carline queue, and they just sent it in, and as you can see, a bell sound is played and the transaction is viewed on my screen. Now I see Valentina Perez is ready for dismissal, and then all the teacher needs to do, based on if this is an option for the school or not, is hit send student. What this send student button does is it marks this student as sent, and that student is in transit out into the car line to be loaded into the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send student, and that drops them off the screen. At the end of the dismissal, there should be no students on this screen because every student that has been asked to be dismissed should no longer be in the classroom. And if I want to see everybody that I have sent for the day, I can click on this switch, mark as sent, and that should show me all the students that I have already sent to be dismissed to their vehicles. You could also close this panel for more viewing space, but it's really up to you. That concludes this short tutorial. Thank you for your time.